Hello, my name's Dr. Edmund Farrer. I'm an ex-military doctor and I have tinnitus. Today, Lily's going to teach you some quick tension relief exercises that might help you manage your tinnitus. Okay, over to Lily to teach you the first one.
Hello, I'm Lily, and today I'm going to be talking you through some quick exercises that involve your head, neck and jaw. This is because there are some points in that area called the myofascial trigger points. And if you kind of manipulate or move the muscles in these areas, either by contracting them, so shortening the muscles, or lengthening them, stretching them out, it might influence the sound that you hear. So it might change the pitch of your tinnitus, or maybe even the loudness. So that's what we're going to be doing today, working through a couple of these exercises to see if they help you to manage tinnitus, and also just to feel a bit better, to relieve any tension you might be feeling. You might want to include these exercises as part of your daily routine, so you might want to do them all each morning, or you might just want to choose one that really works for you and then incorporate that in your daily routine. So you want to start by feeling comfortable. You probably want to sit down with your feet on the floor in an upright position. This is the best position to really release this area here, and that's what we're going to start with, a jaw release. I want you to take your hands, close them into fists, like this, and rest them gently on your lower jaw, just above your chin. And then, in a synchronized movement, you're going to raise your fists up your face to your cheekbones at the same time as opening your mouth. I'll show you what I mean. So you rest them here, and then you open your mouth. And as you do, you raise your fists up to your cheekbones. So let's try this together now. We're going to do it 3 times. Great. So you're looking at keeping your fist to the side of your face, so not too far round to your mouth, if you see what I mean, like quite far towards nearer your ears. And don't push too hard, it shouldn't be painful. If it is painful, just stop. It should feel a little bit like a massage for the jaw. So when you've done that 3 times, take a rest and think, how does my jaw feel? And just notice. So the second exercise is a head tension relief exercise. You want to put 3 fingers on your temples. That's the kind of indent here on the side of your skull. So you're here, and you're going to rub in a circular motion 20 times, quite slowly and relatively gently, but make sure that the skin isn't moving underneath your fingers. You want the skin to move with your fingers. So you're going to rub 20 times like this. It should feel quite relaxing. I hope you're counting, because I've lost count. Okay, when you've done about 20, release your hands and just notice how you feel. Do you feel that tension relief in your temples? If you like, you can then go the other way. So putting your fingers back where they were and going the other way around. The third exercise is very similar, but instead of resting your fingers on your temples, you're going to rest them just under your cheekbones. There. And you're going to do exactly the same again. It's about 20 seconds of circles, or maybe count 20 circles. Again, you don't want the skin to be moving underneath your fingers. You want the skin to move with your fingers. And when you're ready, you can go the other way too. And then release your hands. How does it feel? I've got to say, my head and jaw feels a lot less tense, so hopefully yours does too. The fourth and last exercise is actually the back of the head. So I'm going to turn around and show you what I mean in a moment. But you're going to take your hands and place them at the top of the neck, at the bottom of your head, and then you're going to rub them up and down for 20 seconds. So I'll show you what I mean now. So having rubbed up and down for 20 seconds, you're then going to place your hands on the top of your neck, on the back of your head again, and you're going to go gently in and out for 20 seconds. I hope that you feel less tense, and maybe also your tinnitus has shifted a little bit. Just take note of how you feel, and remember that any of these exercises are available to you if you notice any tension in your neck, head or jaw during the day.
I hope you're feeling more relaxed and your jaw's feeling a bit less tense. If you found that exercise helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.